Top 5 things you should never do in a Nerf war. What the heck? Are you kidding me?
I can't see you, so you can't see me! I surrender. Second thing you should never go to the bathroom.
Alright, second thing you should never do in a Nerf war. Never shoot yourself.
Hallelujah.
I guess I win? I don't know. Alright. Number 3. Never do text in the middle of a Nerf war. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Wait, I need a text.
Yeah, boom. Wait, what?
I need a text. Pause. I need to get this text. Just in 1 minute. Okay, a minute. Let's kill you. Hey, where are you?
Boom! Boom! Alright. Number 4. Never ask for ammo.
Okay, we're gonna start. Up. I'm running out of ammo. You need to give me some.
Okay.
Come on. Come on, I can't stuff it in.
Number 5. Don't go to the bathroom. Come on. I need defense. Go. Bathroom. Yes.
Hey! Get out!
Get out! That's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. You better not look at my butt. Alright. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe. And then click the bell button right next to it, and then push the get all notifications button, and then you'll be pretty much good, so you won't miss any of my videos. Bye!